You want an update on bank account opening in Hong Kong in 2023? You rang the right bell. Hi, I'm Laurent Timmermans. Welcome to ATHENASIA. In this video, I will give you an update on bank account opening in Hong Kong in 2023. So, as you may know, since 2016, opening an account in Hong Kong, and the rest of the world for that matter, became quite difficult because we had the introduction of the CRS from the OECD. So the CRS is the Common Reporting Standard. You can check in the description below. I will give you a link to previous video where I actually talk about it in more details. So this CRS introduced the automatic exchange of information, and this made compliance for the bank much more difficult. These with FATCA for the Americans make it quite difficult for the bank to run their compliance, and therefore opening bank account in Hong Kong became quite difficult. But in 2023, things are getting a bit better, I would say. So following this 2016 introduction of the CRS, I mean, the CRS was in 2018, but it was announced in 16. And following this announcement, bank became really difficult with accounts, but we had new solutions that emerged. So we had fintech solutions using a different type of license, what we call the MSO, or money service operators in Hong Kong. And then we had companies such as Need, Currenxie, etc. that started to offer accounts to entrepreneurs. So what's going on in 2023? Well, the fintechs are still really relevant. The two that we work a lot with are Currenxie, which are great generally for big transactions. So for people doing trading, sourcing, that would be really suitable. The other one is Airwallex. So Airwallex is great for small businesses, especially if you work with e-commerce. So they have a lot of e-commerce features. We will do a video soon on Airwallex. We'll have a joint videos with them, so you'll see all their features. This is also a great option if you are looking for MSOs. If you are not based in Hong Kong, these are the two options you should be looking at. What I mean by not based is that if you don't live in Hong Kong. If you are a Hong Kong resident, traditional bank will open you an account without any problem, unless you do something really weird with your business. And actually, interestingly, so this is the third options. Traditional banks started to open accounts as well. So what we realized over the last few months is that traditional banks started to open accounts even for foreigners, so people not living directly in Hong Kong, which was pretty rare. I mean, if you asked me a year ago, can I have a bank account if I'm not in Hong Kong? I would say, well, most likely not, But here, I got some clients, without our help, they just went straight to the bank and they got their account. This happened with Bank of China, and I think also DBS, if I remember well. So you can check with HSBC, Hang Seng, DBS, OCBC, and Bank of China and see whether you can get an account. Now, if I were you, I would not fly into the city to try my luck with the bank. Now, if you're around, you pass through the city to go to the Canton Fair, for example, why not? But don't book a ticket to come here because I can't guarantee you that the bank will open you the account. The best option so far, the most secure, will be Currenxie Airwallex for small businesses, especially if you're not here. So if you need more information, if you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at info@athenasia.com. I will put the email in the description below. And if you have any other inquiries about opening a company in Hong Kong or accounting, company secretary, these kind of things, you can also contact us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.